I doubt I'm gonna have enough memory on my camera to record all this, but instructions, remote with a mount, the transformer. Now, that AX6012 with the plug is the one that I got, so I can plug it right in. Looks like got something else here. This is critical. I think this is what, I don't know what it is. It's interesting that it's got that kind of plug, huh? And the wires, right? And the screwdriver. Woohoo! And excuse me, something caught in my throat. And then the light itself. Now my box came a little banged up. You can see the box there was ripped, but here it is. Looks like the light is okay. So I guess I go drop that bad boy in the pool and fish the wire up to the junction box. And then, excuse me, I believe that this here gets plugged into the light. And then it looks like we only have 2 wires coming out the other side right here. I'm guessing that might be some other type of controller connection. I don't know. But in any case, I guess this is what I get. And it may be time to read the instructions for the Vevor LED pool lights, which I got for, I think it was $79 delivered on Amazon. So I hope to provide an update after this is installed.